to my eyebrow tutorial. So the first product I'm going to be using is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I'll put the color down below in the description. So what you want to do is comb your eyebrows. I comb my eyebrows up and kind of to the side because I mean they're not pretty full, but they're okay. So what you're going to do is grab a little bit of the product, twist let's twist the pencil, and outline the bottom of your brow. You want to line the bottom of your brow, and I give it like a little tail at the end. With a light hand, you're going to do a line on top of the brow. And then you're going to go ahead and connect the two lines. So I grabbed a little bit of brow pomade by Ulta Beauty. I will also place the description of the product down below. So I'm filling in the tail of my brow. I'm really focusing on the end of my eyebrow. I don't really focus on let's say the front. I use a really light hand if I were to use any product on the front of my brow to get the gradient effect. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing over with the other eyebrow. Sorry, I had a little distraction. My brother. You guys will probably see him in later videos. Maybe this one. Keep tuning in. So again, we're going to line the bottom of the eyebrow. Bring the towel out just a little bit. Well, that's what I do. And then also, with a light hand, we're going to draw the line. Fill in the brow on top of our eyebrows. This is also another technique I kind of like to use. I sometimes do grab the pencil and just fill it in if I don't feel like grabbing the brow pomade. Or let's say I just want to do a quick brow, I will just use the pencil as well to fill in my full eyebrow. Well, the tail of my eyebrow. And I went ahead again and grabbed the eyebrow pomade by Ulta Beauty. I'll place the color in the description box down below. There he is. Excuse my brother. There he is, being crazy. So what we're gonna do, blend both of the products together with the spoolie on the other end of the eyebrow pencil. So just blend through the eyebrow. Fill it in. And if you see any gaps, you're also able to just go back in with the pencil. Oh, hey now, hey, okay. So now we are going to clean our brows. I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan. That is the closest to my skin tone. I like to stick with the color closest to my skin tone to not get the highlight effect. So I do put that concealer on the bottom of the eyebrow to clean it up, and also on the top if I happen to have like any, let's say, product that is not where it needs to be. have it. There goes my eyebrow tutorial. Really simple, very easy. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave it down in the comment section down below, or you can message me on Instagram. I will also leave that in my description box. Thank you for tuning into my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.